everyone, welcome to BANGERA'S kitchen. Today, let's see how to make wheat halwa. For this, I have taken 1 cup of ghee, and to 1 cup of ghee, 1 cup of wheat flour. Turn the flame into medium and fry until the color changes. Make sure you keep mixing it again and again. Once it reaches to this boiling stage, a few more minutes to go to reach the golden brown color. Mixture is come to golden brown. It's now time to add sugar. So for 1 cup of wheat, we'll be adding 1 cup of sugar. You can scale it up according to your taste. After adding the sugar, make sure to mix it thoroughly without any gaps. Once it's mixed well, add 2 cups of water part by part and stir it continuously. We know the wheat halwa or the Kada Prasad is getting ready when it starts leaving the ghee. In this stage, we'll add a badam or any dry fruits of your choice and give it a good mix. Now our delicious halwa is ready to enjoy with the loved ones. For more such recipes, please do subscribe, like and share BANGERA'S kitchen.